Want to remix an Instagram reel and add your own video? Here's how to use the remix feature on Instagram, step by step. First, open Instagram and go to your profile or explore page. Find the reel you want to remix and tap to open it. Tap the three dots on the reel. From the menu, select Remix. The Remix editor will now open. Sometimes Instagram picks a layout automatically. If it looks weird, tap Layout and choose the one you prefer. Tap Capture to record your video or upload a clip from your gallery. Tap Next. Add text, stickers, effects, or music if you want. You can also save the remix to your camera roll. Tap Next again and share your remix. And that's it. Your Instagram Reel remix is live. Like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.